Dear Mr. Stipe, greetings and good tidings. I hope this video letter finds you well and in good humor. I'm a big fan, but this is not a fan letter. Maybe just a pun or a fun letter. I am writing because I hope to make a music video for our community using your song Shiny Happy People, and I want to know how I can use it legally so that I don't get into trouble. My aim is to raise morale and build a strong community spirit battered by COVID and other disasters, both natural and man-made. Accent on man-made. If I can just give you a counter feedback, for some time now, things have not been going right here in our place, that every day has become a bad day. Everybody hurts, and I myself feel like I am losing my religion. Before, when I'm feeling blue, I used to go night swimming or do gardening at night. But now, I can't even do them anymore. I feel so low that oftentimes I catch myself talking to an imaginary man on the moon who tells me to find the river that leads to the great beyond. I'm not asking for a free lunch. I don't like that. I'm willing to pay for the rights to use your music in this video passion project I have in mind. Then, I plan to post it in my YouTube channel for the delectation of my approximately 5 subscribers whom I have successfully strong-armed into subscribing. But even if I get to use your song for free, I intend to pay back or pay forward. Hopefully, the amount is within my means and the fee is reasonably commensurate to the use I have in mind for it. If for some reason, however, someone decides I could not use your song for my project, it is okay. It will not be the end game, nor will it be like it is the end of the world as we know it for me. I will be fine. I will just look for another radio song to find the finest work song that can take its place, although Shiny Happy People is really the one I love. By now, if you have gotten this far, you must be groaning at my cheap antic and the corniness of this letter. Sorry for that, but I am sincere with my intent. I have been listening to your music since I was young, and I am now an old man. It's just maybe the child in me never grew up. What I am trying to do is a modern-day version of a letter in a bottle that one throws in the sea, hoping that somehow it gets to its destination. This time, however, I write an ebo, the letter, and throw it in cyberspace, hoping that it reaches you or your licensing agents wherever you may be, like in Cuyahoga, Texarkana, Uberlin, or even near Wild Heaven, while I am somewhere half a world away. Promise, that is the end of this silliness. But there is another reason though why I made this video letter. I want this to be a lesson in audacity and hope, especially for our young people. We live in sad and trying times, and many are surrendering to despair or falling into apathy. I don't want that to happen. I want to show people that even if times are bad, we can still have dreams and even reach for the stars. Or a star. Yes, you. I am serious. But no, I'm not serious. I'm not a star. Okay, let me groan for you. Oh. But even if this letter just ends up in the dustbin of cyberspace, it does not matter because I know that at least I tried. I did not just sit and wonder, forever asking what if? And I can always try again. Thankfully, dreaming is still free. If this video letter has in any way made you feel slighted or offended, I would like to apologize. Sorry for stringing titles of your songs in a chain of childish nonsense. In truth, your songs are like my best and most loyal friends who through all the years have kept me company in good times and bad. And for that, I most sincerely want to say, thank you for your music, the song sang. Oops. I think I have to end now. I just strayed into ABBA territory and I am afraid the intellectual property police will not be very happy about that. But really, from the bottom of my heart, thank you, thank you, thank you. Your songs have become a part of my life. You're the best, Mr. Stipe. Ciao.